Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you GetResponse review. I'll walk you through the latest features of GetResponse, including its content monetization tools, the course creator, and other updates. We'll also cover its pricing, who it's best suited for, and how it can benefit your business. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or someone looking to start selling online courses, this video is for you. Make sure to check the link in the description to try GetResponse for free. So, what is GetResponse? GetResponse is an online marketing platform that offers a variety of tools for businesses with a strong focus on email marketing. It allows users to create, schedule, and send email campaigns to their subscriber lists. The platform includes automation features, making it possible to set up workflows for personalized email sequences like welcome messages, abandoned cart reminders, and re-engagement campaigns. Users can choose from a wide range of customizable email templates and design their campaigns with a drag-and-drop editor. Beyond email marketing, GetResponse provides additional services like landing page creation, lead generation tools, customer relationship management, CRM capabilities, and e-commerce tools. It also supports webinar hosting, offering an integrated solution for online events and presentations. Analytics and reporting features are included to help users track the performance of their marketing efforts, providing insights into engagement, conversions, and audience behavior. Let's start by discussing the autoresponder feature. I find it fantastic. It's simple to set up and easy to use, saving you a lot of time and effort when sending out emails. When you collect an email from a lead, this feature allows you to send emails automatically at any time interval you choose. Let's dive into how it works. Here, I have a new autoresponder section for our tutorial. If you're starting from scratch, you will see how simple it is. Click on Create Autoresponder. You can do this yourself or use AI, but today I'll show you the manual way. Fill out the required fields. The title is similar to a subject line, but only you will see it. If this is your first autoresponder, set it to day 0. You can also choose to add a delay or select a specific day for sending. If you are offering something for free, you want to send it immediately. Next, you will create the subject line. It's best to make this the same as the title for consistency. Now, let's design the message. GetResponse provides plenty of templates, but I prefer using blank ones. Fewer pictures mean a lower chance of ending up in the spam box. Let's go with a blank template. You can drag and drop elements like images, text, buttons, and videos. I'll quickly format some text here to make it look better. If you want to add a link, simply highlight the text and click on the link section. The drag and drop editor is user-friendly. If you notice your text is centered, you can adjust the alignment in the message style section. Keeping your email simple will help increase open rates, which is always beneficial. Once you've set everything up, click Next to review your email. GetResponse includes a spam check feature, letting you know if any words might trigger spam filters. Once you're happy with it, click Save and Publish. Now, whenever someone opts into your landing page, they will receive this email automatically. You can repeat this process to add more autoresponders. For example, you might want to send another email 2 days later, and then every 2 days after that. This setup saves you a lot of time and can significantly increase clicks to your offers. If autoresponders are not your thing, you can easily send newsletters as well. Navigate to the Tools section and select Email Marketing. Click on New Newsletter, and the process is quite similar to setting up an autoresponder. The main difference is in the audience and timing. These email features are straightforward, which is great for users who want to avoid technical headaches with email marketing services. Now, let's transition away from email marketing for a moment. GetResponse has evolved significantly since it started. They have been around for many years and continue to improve their platform. Next, let's discuss the landing page builder. If you need a landing page, GetResponse has you covered. To create one, go to Tools and then Landing Pages. I will choose a ready-made template to show you how it works. GetResponse offers many templates, though I believe they could be more effective for generating leads based on my experience. I'll choose a simple template that asks for a name and email. A less cluttered page usually has higher conversion rates, so that's what we want. The drag and drop editor here is also intuitive. You can click on elements to edit them easily. For example, I can change the logo or remove unnecessary sections. It's important to have fewer fields, as the fewer fields you have, the higher the chances of conversion. After someone submits their email, you can show a thank you message or redirect them to another page. Now let's discuss the course creator. This is a game changer for anyone looking to sell online courses. You don't need to integrate third-party tools anymore. GetResponse lets you create, host, and sell your courses all within the platform. You can organize your lessons, upload videos, and create quizzes to engage your students. It's incredibly user-friendly, so you don't need any tech skills to set it up. What's great is that you can integrate it seamlessly with your landing pages and email funnels, which makes selling your course as simple as clicking a button. To create a course, you go to the dashboard and choose Course. From there, you can upload your materials, set the structure of your course, and define your pricing options. You can choose between free courses to grow your email list or paid courses to monetize your knowledge. Plus, GetResponse gives you tools to track student progress and engagement. One of the standout features of the course creator is the ability to create different pricing tiers for your courses. For example, you can offer a basic version of the course for free to attract leads, and then upsell them on a premium version that offers more in-depth content or one-on-one coaching. This gives you the flexibility to maximize your revenue potential. Now, let's talk about content monetization beyond just courses. GetResponse's monetization feature allows businesses and content creators to generate revenue directly through their email marketing efforts. It enables users to sell products, services, or digital goods within their email workflows, making it easy for subscribers to purchase items directly from emails through embedded product listings and Buy Now buttons. The platform integrates with major e-commerce systems like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento, allowing businesses to sync their products and manage purchases. The feature also includes conversion funnels, which guide customers through the buying process with landing pages optimized for sales, automated follow-up emails, and integrated payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Square for secure transactions. Users can create product catalogs and integrate them into emails and landing pages, allowing for seamless promotion and sales. Webinars and digital products can be monetized by selling access to live or recorded webinars, as well as digital goods like ebooks and courses. Customizable landing pages and built-in checkout forms allow users to handle sales directly within GetResponse, reducing the need for external e-commerce platforms. Marketing automation helps nurture leads and guide potential customers through the buying process, while detailed analytics provide insights into revenue, customer behavior, and conversion rates, helping businesses optimize their strategies for better performance. Now, let's discuss pricing. GetResponse offers great value for its features. They have a free plan, and the first paid tier starts at $15 a month for up to 1,000 contacts. As your contact list grows, the price will increase, but that makes sense because it usually means you are seeing success with your email marketing. The basic plan includes unlimited newsletters, autoresponders, landing pages, email templates, sign-up forms, and pop-ups. You also get live chat support. If you want more advanced features such as marketing automation, webinars, and sales funnels, you can upgrade to higher tiers. In conclusion, GetResponse has stood the test of time, offering reliable email marketing services for many years. It is simple and effective for sending emails and creating autoresponders, making it a go-to choice for many digital marketers. Plus, it includes additional features like webinars, landing pages, and now a content monetization platform. On the downside, their landing page templates might seem basic compared to dedicated landing page software. However, they still serve most marketing needs well. Overall, GetResponse remains a solid choice for comprehensive email marketing solutions. It packs a valuable marketing punch and is highly recommended. Remember to check the link to GetResponse in the description for a free